Good morning to all our investors. This is Swapnil Shah. Yesterday we saw gold crossing $1,400 per ounce in global markets. Well, is this indication of something happening? After a long time, gold is inching up and we are seeing some positive movement in gold. It is almost 5 years that gold is ranging in between 1,200 to $1,400 per ounce in global markets. Generally, gold is a hedge against equities. If there is a panic in equity markets, bond markets, gold is a hedge and there could be a rally in gold. So maybe there could be some things happening at global level. Also, there was yesterday news of that a US drone has been offset by Iran. So that made crude very volatile and it inched up 5%. So this kind of news, when there is uncertainty, gold is the first hedge and we saw buying there. Maybe something could be coming, you never know. Indian market saw a sharp short covering kind of rally yesterday after 2 days of extreme pessimism. So this kind of trading bounces are expected when we are in a bear market. So still I feel things are not looking good and market would again give up in coming days. So just be patient and be watchful. Don't go into fancy stocks again. I repeat, don't go into ADAG stocks, etc. Yesterday one may get excited by seeing 30% gains, but when a stock of 100 rupees becomes 50 rupees and then it bounces to 60 rupees, there is nothing to get excited. Just stay away from these stocks. Thank you.
Good morning, investors. Just to continue the view on gold and why this asset class is now performing. So we have already seen bond market performing starting from 2013 and then equity market perform. So ideally it is a typical business cycle which goes on. So first we have bonds bottom out, then equity and then commodity. So this may be the phase where commodity seems to have bottomed out and it has already consolidated good time. Now it has started rallying. So what repercussion or impact it can have on other markets? So other market, for medium term perspective, there may be pressure on equities, but yes, after it has this move has started, gradually you will after maybe 3 months or 6 months, then you are going to have that phase wherein you will see both equity and commodity market performing. That inflationary phase which comes usually. So this is all as per the business cycle progression. Now coming back to Indian markets, it has closed around 11,832 level. As we have already mentioned about support of 11,660. So index reversed after taking support around that zone. Going ahead, the level of 11,880, 890 seems to be very strong resistance for markets. So for any meaningful upside or pullback to come, index needs to sustain above that level. If it fails to do so, then we can have resumption of the down move which we have seen since last week. Talking about even derivative data, we have seen a highest OI concentration in 12,000 strike price call option and 11,000 strike price put option. Also, we have seen good amount of OI addition in 12,100 call option as well as 12,800 put option yesterday. So yesterday move, of course the bounce was due, but it might have propelled because of short covering which was there in the markets. Coming on to view on Bank Nifty actually performed relatively better in comparison to Nifty. It has closed around 30,781, but it also has resistance around 30,820 odd levels. So for it to continue its up move, it needs to sustain above that level. Next target levels would be 31,000 and 31,270, while support comes at 30,600 and 30,200. Coming on to view on stocks, Apollo's tire is one which is looking good from momentum point of view. The stock has seen sharp fall in coming weeks and since last 3-4 weeks it was consolidating around its previous trough. So the stock is currently trading around 195. It has immediate resistance at 197. So if it sustains above that level, then we can have a pullback towards 210 and 220 levels, while support comes at 189 and 183. So that's
tire stocks have been holding up against this for the last 2-3 days.
Yes, and especially Apollo tires, so it is more or less consolidating. So even on a relative basis, it is outperforming in comparison to other sectors and stocks that way. So for such research reports, views and updates, please subscribe to our Facebook page, and also you can access the views and reports on our website, that is bpwell.com, and please do like and share this video. Thank you.
Thank you.